Hello YouTubers, how are you? My name is Marcus and today I'm going to show you how to make your own percussion massager. There are a few dozen videos on YouTube right now that can show you how to make your own, what things to purchase, and I'll show you the research that I've done. I've made two of them so far, and the second one is much better than the first one, so hopefully this video will help you out to avoid some of the problems that I had when I started making my own about a week to 10 days ago. So I'll show you the first video and then I'll come back and show you the other video that I made that's the updated version. What's up YouTube? Sorry for all the background noise, I'm here at work. I just want to make a quick video about my new percussion massager that I made. There's a whole bunch of videos on YouTube telling you how you can do this using different tools for around $120, and for whatever reason I decided I wanted to see if I could do it for less than that. So I'll tell you about what I purchased first and then how I changed it around. Initially I purchased a 2-pack of these lacrosse balls. I think they were like $8. Bought this particular drill on Amazon for about $50 or so, and of course I've got that universal connection that you see advertised as well. This particular connection will not work with a regular jigsaw. It has to be that new work saw or just a regular sawzall, and that universal connection right here is what goes into the saw. Will not work on this particular style saw. Usually they're a U-shank or a T-shank style blade, so that's what I use instead. Took one of these blades, used my grinder right here to grind the teeth off, as you can see right there. There's no teeth on it, and it works perfectly. Made a little hole inside the ball. I usually put some adhesive in there just to be on the safe side to secure the ball to the actual blade. I used it without it and it didn't move at all, but I just wanted to be extra safe just so it wouldn't come off. And everything works perfectly. Can't be more impressed. So this is part 2, the updated version of my percussion massager. I went ahead and used the Black & Decker drill again, or drill jigsaw again. I highly recommend using something that's 18 to 20 volts and lithium ion for the fast charge, but also it'll last a lot longer. That other one would only last about 4 minutes maybe before it would really start to slack off in its power and duration, and it would actually eventually go dead less than 5 or 6 minutes of actually using it. So this more than makes up for that. Again, I used a 2-pack of balls, lacrosse balls. You can get them anywhere. I just happened to buy everything on Amazon so I could have it shipped so I don't have to go searching. And again, I used the U-shank blade. I believe this drill takes U-shank and T-shank style blades. I grinded the teeth off so I wouldn't have any sharp edges near me, and I poked a hole in the ball with a drill. I think I used a 3/8 drill bit. It made a nice hole, and then I put epoxy in there just to hold it on. I actually did use it without the epoxy and it stayed on just fine, but I just wanted to be a little extra safe, and it really works well. You don't need this if you're going to use a jigsaw. If you do happen to buy the Works tool, which is basically a sawzall that converts to a jigsaw, then you can use this and it'll hold your blade in, and then you can use this part and put this in the ball, and that works good too, but you don't really need this for this particular application. And I'll just show you how well it works. Works really well, and I love it that you can you know, the harder you squeeze the trigger, the faster it goes, and then you can lighten up and it'll, you know, slow down a little bit, so you can go over some of the sensitive areas, like if you're doing your feet or, you know, around your knees or your calves, even near your Achilles tendon. It makes it much more tolerable to be able to do that. So for about $75 or so, you can make something that's very, very good in comparison, and it compares well to the other commercially available massagers that are out there that are $300 and almost $600. And you can do this kind of a low budget way, but still get a really good quality tool. I hope this information was helpful to you, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer every single question. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.